Hello, I'm going to show you how to create a video or a read aloud storybook using WeVideo. I am now using my other account, which is free trial as an educator. It's a bit different from the individual or business plan. Alright, so let's get started. I'm on my dashboards here now. I'm gonna create a new blank project. Then I'm gonna start editing. What I'm planning to do is to insert, okay, you can see this folder with stars here where all your medias will be kept here. Okay, so I'll just drag that. Okay, where do you get that one? It's actually you can import media, okay, from you can browse, select from your laptop computer, or you can also import from Google Drive. Okay, so I have that one, and what I'm planning to do now is I am going to record my voice over this video that I have just pasted here. So, all right. The story about the mummy. Story by Sue Clark. Basma and Hossam are on holiday with their parents. They've come to see the pyramids near Cairo. There are lots of things to see. Basma and Hossam are lost. Okay, so you get the idea. If you are happy with that recording, so just click tick here. Otherwise, you just put it in trash and do it one more time. So for this purpose, I will just click OK just to show you how it works, and you'll be saving it to your server. It will come up here in the media okay, when it's finished. Meanwhile, I'm going to show you what else you can do. You can see the video 1 and 2 and 1. There are a lot of things you can do actually. When the recording is here, actually you can move the voice over. You will move it accordingly. So let's see how it goes. This is the preview and how it looks like. You can adjust it to make story by proper. The story about the mummy. Story by Sue Clark. Okay, and I could also do a lot of other things, like probably put this in front, or I don't know, like I could move this here and add this one in front of the webcam Screencastify video. I can edit that. How do you edit? So you can just click on that. and it will show you that maybe online or whatever. And read by, for example. Right. What else can I do? I could add audio for that. Okay, I could just choose it from here. For example, and drag it here. Hang on, wait. What did I have? Okay, you have to drag it to the audio part. I could make it shorter, only for the part, the introduction part. Drag it in. Okay, let's see how it looks like. How did it turn out to be? Okay, for example, story by this, and also I could just put any audio that is, or like sound effects, for example. Okay. Story about the mummy. Story by Sue Clark. Probably here. Some sound effects, for example, sample nature. Let's see how it sounds like. I don't know, maybe this side. And lots of other things you can explore. Yeah. So yeah, that's a lot more to explore. You can check and try. You can even add backgrounds or frames, overlays. There's just a lot of things to explore. Yeah, and that's all for my tutorial. Thank you for watching. Bye.